Istanbul. Eiffel Tower. That would be so cool. To end up drinking hot chocolate on a Soho floor. Let's be birds. Where you wanna go, just say the word. Let's be birds. See if this is real love. Let's be birds. Let's be birds. What's the point of living in a beautiful world that you'll never see? Come fly with me. What's the point of wings if you never go anywhere? I wanna look at you and think of what we could have been. So put your hands up. Where you wanna go, just say the word. Let's be birds. Let's be birds. Let's be birds. What's the point of living in a beautiful world that you'll never see? Come fly with me. Let's be birds. Let's be birds. Let us be birds. In this beautiful world I wanna see. If you haven't heard that song, you should hear it. It's called Let's Be Birds by Jacob Whiteside. My name is Leah. This is Lappy.